Welcome to day 5 of our trip along the wild Atlantic Way. Today we travel from Lisdoonvarna to Killarney. Unfortunately, my 360 camera still was not working correctly. It wasn't until later in the day I realised it was because it was on manual exposure. The first video I have is at the cliffs of Moher.
Morning, and it woke me from a dream, and in that dream I heard a warning saying leave the rest, take only what you need. So keep on singing to those who listen. Sister